Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. This is Dr. Bitla. So, way to success. You are going to find success path. In the process of success path, today I am coming with today 3B, 3Bs. So, we learned about is assertiveness and D and something like. So, I am coming with now Bs, 3Bs. How these 3Bs are going to influence one's success, how we are going to reach the success path and goal achievements, whatever it is. So here first we let us take here believe. So believe first of all. అంటే నిన్ను నువ్వు నమ్మాలి ఫస్ట్. నువ్వేం చేస్తున్నావు అన్నదని నమ్మాలి నువ్వు. Believe in yourself. What you are doing that you must believe. Others may believe you or not. Your goals, maybe your achievements, your things. But first of all, you believe that you are going to get it. So believing in yourself, believing in your career, believing in your life, believing in your way of right style of working, whatever it is. First of all, you believe it. When you believe, you understand how you are going to reach the place. That believing oneself is very important. Believing himself is important. Believing yourself is important. So that first of all, belief. So believe in your talent. Believe in your right skills. Believe in your goals. Believe in your plans to reach the things. So that first of all, first B is believe, and second B, brave. Be brave to achieve them. You must have that brave. You must be brave to achieve the things. Don't think that here is this is so and so it's over. It's not like that. The thing is that you're believing. At the same time, you must have that brave to reach, take the challenges, and go for it. So that is belief. And at the same time, you must have brave. So when you have that brave, so automatically you are going to reach it, because cowardice die many times, but Valentine die only once. సో దట్ పిరికివాడు ప్రతిరోజు చేస్తాడంట, ప్రతిసారి చేస్తుంటాడు. ధైర్యస్తుడు ఒకేసారి చేస్తాడు. దట్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ వన్ థింగ్ హియర్. ఇట్ మే బి ఇన్ వార్, ఇట్ మే బి ఇన్ గోల్. దట్ షుడ్ నాట్ బి ఏ కవర్డెస్. సో మీన్స్ పిరికివాడు కావద్దు. కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ బి ఈజ్ బ్రేవ్. వెన్ యూ ఆర్ బ్రేవ్, definitely you are going to reach it, whatever the things you are going to face. So brave is important. ధైర్యంగా ముందుకెళ్ళే యొక్క సామర్థ్యం కావాలి. So that one is that the first one is belief, and second one is braveness, and the third one is, of course, third one is, what is that? Balancing. You must balance your thoughts, balance your emotions, balance your activities, balance everything whatever you feel about. When you are exaggerate anything, over emotional anything, overreact anything, overact for anything, that's going to be disastrous. So that you should not overreact, overact and overdo anything. That is not right to get success. So that you must have balanced kind of attitude, balanced mentality, balanced emotions, balanced talks, balanced words, balanced kind of right conversation with any person. So when the person has this kind of balanced kind of attitude, definitely is going to reach, because emotions are going to affect your brain, your mind. When your mind is affected with the emotions, your progress is totally stopped there itself. Again, you have to think about it, why I was emotional like that. So when you are balanced about the things, so success will be there for you. But when you are overreact for any kind of things, immediately there will be quarrel or there will be any problem, it arises. So it should not ignite the things, ignite the wrong things. Should not ignite the wrong things. అంటే వాటిని పెంచుకోకుండా జస్ట్ వాటిని బ్యాలెన్స్గా ఉంచాలి. అంటే ఆ విధంగా ఇది ఎక్కడ అంత సమతుల్యంగా ఉండాలి. అండ్ గెయిన్ నాలెడ్జ్, బ్యాలెన్సింగ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ అండ్ గెయిన్ నాలెడ్జ్, సో దట్ you are going to get the success. So success path is that only these things what I teach you, this alphabet. Life lies in alphabet. The success lies in alphabet. So that you think about how this success is going to get it. so that how you are going to get the things done, so that how you are going to reach the place by taking this kind of right, three B's. One is belief, one is braveness, one is balancing the things. I hope definitely you follow these three B's and reach your goals. Thank you very much. Stay home and stay safe.